Hello friends, welcome to the another video of Azure 104 certification. So in this video, we'll learn about shared access signature. To learn about shared access signature, we have to learn about how to create resources group, how to create storage account, and how to create table. We'll do that. And once the table is created, then we'll enter the data in the table via storage browser. And then we'll connect that table through storage explorer. And we'll do that by shared access signature. I showed you how to connect storage account via access key in the last videos. In this video, I will show you how to connect storage account via shared access signature. And also I will quickly go through access key too. First of all, we have to learn what is shared access signature. Shared access signature SAS is a secure way to grant access to your storage resources without sharing your storage account keys. It is mostly used for granting access for the short time to the staffs or external people, while access key is used for granting access for a long time. So without any delay, let's get started. So first we'll create a storage account since we already have resource group over here. So our storage account is created. So now let's go and create table. So my table name is employee. Inside our storage account, we create a table under the data storage. The reason for creating table is we want to grant the access of table to the outside people via shared access signature. So now we have to put data in the table. So we'll do that through storage browser. Now we have to add entity over here. So here we have property name on the left and value on the right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create three entity with two from IT department and one from HR department with additional property. Employee one. Hmm. So one entity is created with all of this data. Let's create another entity. And the last one. However, in this one, I will not put age and phone number. And let's look how it looks like. So my table is ready over here. So I got everything. But in the last one, there is no age and phone number. That means table is flexible schema, no SQL. In the SQL table, the schema is fixed, whereas in the no SQL table, the schema is flexible. So that's why the schema is flexible here. Now the data is in the table, so let's connect now with Storage Explorer via shared access signature. Connect storage account. So we are going to do with the SAS or connection string, which is also a SAS. So we'll try with connection string now. Here we need to put a connection string. So to find that, let's go to the Azure portal again. In the Azure portal, under security plus networking, there is a shared access signature. We'll allow these resources types. Here we have to set date and time for how long we want to grant access to our table to the outside people. So today is 4th 1 1st of April. So I'm putting time from 6:37 to 6:57, almost 20 minutes. So here we have to find our IP address and put it here. That's mean public IP address. Paste that connection string over here. Next and connect. So this is a table over here. So this is the data of our table that we created in the Azure portal, and it is reflected over here through SAS shared access signature. And we have only 20-minute access on this table. So let's check whether it's working everything perfectly or not. I'm going to update some field over here. I change this name and update. Now let's see whether the name is updated on the Azure portal of table or not. And here the employee name is updated. That means the table we access in the Azure Storage Explorer via shared access signature is working perfectly, because the data that we entered over here can be accessed from there, and we can update from here and there both. So this is how we can give permission to the storage account to outside people via shared access signature. Here we have done through shared access signature. So now let's go and do from access key, which is for long-term granting access. We just copy this key, go to the Azure Storage Explorer, connect from account name and key. Here the account name should be the same of storage account name. So let's go and copy the storage account name first. Account key. Next, connect. So let's go and find the table, whether our employee table is there or not. So here we got our employee table as well. This is how we connect our storage account through access key. So today we learned two things. One to connect from shared access signature, which is for short term, and one to connect from access key, which is for long term. Before wrapping up, let's detach the table from here. This is all for today. So I will see you in another video. Thank you.